Hey guys, what's up? It's me Sahim from Sahim Tech, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create an account, a Google account. So let's begin. First, go to Google, and if you're creating an account for the first time and you don't have any other accounts, then just click on Gmail. And then when you click on Gmail, the page might open up like this, and you won't have these things like this because I have these because I already have many accounts. So I click on use another account. And then now I'm clicking create account. And then there are two options for myself to manage my business. Clicking for myself, and now enter your first name, last name, username, and a password. Okay. Enter your last name. Enter your username. And then enter your password. And enter your password again to confirm. And then once you're done, just click on this eyeball to just check your password. When you click on that, your password will be visible instead of those dots which are visible right now. Just recheck. I have now rechecked. Now I hit next. And then something like this will show. Now they're asking for the phone number for a recovery, and same is over here for the recovery email address. So you just can give your phone number. It's optional, okay? It's showing optional here already. It's optional. So you can give your phone number if you want, but it's optional. Same is with the recovery email address, which is for a recovery. And they'll use the phone number for security, for account security, and others won't be able to see it. Recovery email address is for that, that recovery thingy. So you can just give the recovery email address. Let me give mine. Okay, now give your birthday. Then type the year. And then make sure to type your gender. And then just recheck everything. And then hit next. And then they'll just show you the privacy and terms. You have to just take a second and read them all. Just make sure, then read them all, then click on more options to see the rest. Like they will just track your activity, they will track your YouTube activity, YouTube history. So you can just select if you don't want to save it or if you want to save it. Then you can just check this box if you want, like if you want to send an occasional reminder about these settings. And then if you agree to all of them, just hit agree. And now when you click on agree, it's now creating your account and still creating. And now you can see it's already showing this orange M here because my first name I gave was Muhammad. So now you can see, because I had clicked on Gmail, it is showing Gmail. So now we have opened Gmail, and you can see now they're showing that Google. Now they'll just show you a pop-up menu in which they will just show you the advertisement of Google Meet, which is now in Gmail. And now we have successfully created our Google account. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please like this video and share with your friends who also don't know how to create a Google account. And if you have any queries, please put them in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you get my latest updates. And thanks for watching.